What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video here. Doing an update for 2021, man. And yes, I'm grinning as I'm shooting this video because y'all know my deal, man. As I've been saying in all the previous videos, 2021, the main objective of this build is to do budget. And I'm not saying budget as far as like a certain dollar amount. I'm saying budget as in the sense of budget equipment, budget here and there, when it comes, especially when it comes down to the subwoofers, man. So I'm the type of guy where I'll say, okay, if you're shooting for XYZ, then you can do this. If you're shooting for SPL, you might want to do this. So as I'm saying budget build, I will start doing updates on that as far as what that means and what it means to me, and the way that you can actually do a budget system and still come down with a huge base. So with that being a theme this year, and if y'all hear me, voice might be trembling a little bit. It's a little cold out here. I ain't got my heater out here, and I think it's like 35 degrees today for some reason in March, but whatever. But y'all see that in front of you? Dual technology. Yes, last year I'm the same guy that went and got that dual, I can't remember the model number, it's 276BT, whatever the hell. Then we had I think the XVM 279BT. I think that's like one of my most popular videos on my channel. So when it does come down to doing budget-minded equipment, that is kind of where my bread and butter comes down as far as getting my views on YouTube, man. So shout out to everybody that's subscribed to the channel. Shout out to people that are passing through, because I'm pretty sure this one right here is going to get a heck of a lot of views, and more than likely it won't be subscribers that look at it. It'll probably be a lot of people that pass through here. So in front of you, you have a dual tech media receiver, large 7-inch screen, clearly Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. That is the reason why I bought this deck. So I'm going to see what's up with it as far as Apple CarPlay. I do have an Android phone. I can mess around and grab and see how the Android Auto works on it as well. But I specifically bought it for this here, the Apple CarPlay. So let's take a look at it. Obviously, the model number there is XDCPA10BT. So it has a rear USB on it, obviously Bluetooth, but rear USB, charging 1.5 amp, large 7-inch screen, claims 200 watts, obviously. That's peak power, 50 watts by 4. It's probably more like 17. With dual, it's probably like 14, 15, man, but well, can't read that. Nah, it's nothing special to it. So yeah, like I said, just as far as the features, 7-inch screen. I'm not sure if that's HD. It might just be under it. But 2024 by 600p. Like I said, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, AM, FM, whatever. Rear USB. I'm excited about that. Backup camera, RCA. So it actually does have the 3 pairs of RCA outputs for the front, rear, and the sub. Media playback on the USB. I'll have to verify that 8-band EQ. So I don't know, man. I might have some faith in this one here, man. So and yes, if you're wondering, this is the old Wally World special. This was 150 bucks over there. I paid a total of $235 because I also got this here. This factory stereo replacement interface. Now this, I don't know if I need this for sure, because I do have all the wire harnesses from my Malibus and some other GM models. So I don't know if I'll actually need that thing or not, but I bought it just to be on the safe side. So I guess I should do that as well. Walking out the store, we came in at 235 bucks, and then also went over to a Walmart over in Iowa, and the total on that, I guess it was $14.96. So yeah, so basically under 300 bucks. Have to move this out the way here. So for under $300, also got the Metra installation kit. I'll try to get her to focus here. This is the WM-GMK01. So same deal, fits General Motors 05 and up. Y'all been in tune. Y'all know I got Impala now. I got my little janky camera stand. She does fit the Impala 2006 to 13 and also the limited model. So should be good there. But the reason for this video is to unbox this dual head unit. Like I said, I'm pretty sure this will be another one of those bread and butter videos where I'll get a lot of people passing through and just coming through to see what's up with the stereo. And this one I will be installing hopefully today. So for all you individuals out there that always say, hey man, you always unbox those stereos and then we don't hear anything else about them, it's because 9 times out of 10, other than that 276 model, they're not my stereos. So I might be able to do an unboxing on it and have to follow up at a later time. But this one is going to be mine. Like I said, I don't plan, as of right now, unboxing this amp, I don't plan on holding on to it. More than likely, like I said, I'll install it, use it for a couple of months and go from there. As far as using it and whatnot, man. But so that's the actual stereo right there. This is your owner's manual. So like I said, the model number is the XDCPA10BT. USB MP3, Bluetooth, but like I said, Apple CarPlay, man. So let's have some faith in it here. And I actually believe, now that I'm seeing the back of this here, I believe Quality Mobile actually did a video on this. They were highly impressed with it. Because like I said, for under the $200 dollar mark, you can't really ask for more. So there's the screen itself. Hopefully y'all caught that as far as the shallow back. It is Macless, so it does not do CD DVD. So if you need something like that, this would not be an option that you want to take a look at, man. But as far as, like I said, for me, I'm good to go, man. Looks like we got the home key, also doubles as a mute. Well, the home key's here. This is your power on, but like I said, also doubles as a mute. Volume up, volume down, and then your microphone button there. I'm pretty sure that might be a remote sensor right there. I'm not certain. Let's see. Move her to the back and see what comes with it. Yep. More than likely a remote sensor. It has this itty bitty remote. Probably about 2 inches, maybe 3 inches worth of remote there. And then you get your line out, mounting hardware, power harness, your hands-free Bluetooth microphone there, and then the trim panel, man. So this seems to be a whole heck of a lot more thought out than the 279 model that they have. Because like I said, this one actually has the line out, video in, has a dedicated camera line there, line out for the rear, left and right, ground. Yeah, so like I said, I guess if you want to go ahead and actually run your system off of this, you could do it. If you were to take that leap of faith with this head unit, I would highly recommend getting the DSP with that as well. Like I said, then here is your power harness, hands-free Bluetooth mic, and then, as I stated, the mounting hardware and the remote, man. So like I said, this is just an unboxing video on this head unit, man. I will definitely do a more in-depth video once I get up and rolling as far as get her installed and stuff like that, man. So you got the USB right here. You got your antenna adapter right there. This is where you plug in your microphone and obviously your harness, and then your RCAs, man. So just doing a video showing, yes, I went ahead and took the dive again as far as trying another dual head unit. And the reason why I went ahead and said, screw it, I'm gonna go for this, is because I've been racking my brain as far as Pioneer. Unfortunately, you know, COVID, Pioneer, the warehouse that they use to make their radios, as far as the chips that they put in them, that warehouse went up in flames. So Pioneer is having a hard time as far as getting their stereos out, as far as the new models. And of course, if they're not dropping the new models, what's that do? Drives up the price on the old models. So it's extremely hard to find a 8400 next, at least for the one that I want and the price point that I'm trying to pay. Started looking at 8500 next and stuff like that, man. I even got to the point to where I started looking at the 7400, the 6400, even browse at the 8200 next, because when it goes Pioneer, once you go next, you can't go back to the regular stereos, man. So that's why I decided to go ahead and take this plunge on another dual stereo. So same type of deal. Be using this for a couple of months just to hold me over, probably till about the summertime, maybe mid-June or something like that, and we'll go ahead and upgrade. And then just with, like I said, with me having that theme of a budget system, there is a possibility of me holding on to this here. So that's more or less for the people that are going to stick around. Stay tuned for the build. Like I said, when I do these dual head units, I get a lot of views here on YouTube, man. So there's probably going to be a ton of people passing through. Like, I didn't need all the extra. Well, all the extra ain't for y'all. Once the unboxing is done, you've probably seen everything you want to see already, man. So, however, if you're in the base, stick around, subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, man. Go ahead and drop those comments, man. Like I said, I try to get back to everybody, man. Go ahead and like, subscribe, do the whole nine, man. Any questions, comments, concerns, I'll get back to you. And y'all can see it right here, maybe reflected in the screen on that there. If your mirrors ain't shaking, damn it, you gotta take it, man. It's your boy Young Dub. I'm out of here. Y'all have a good one.